Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to resolve PayPal account issues. Start by checking your email and your PayPal Resolution Center for specific alerts regarding your account. Often, issues arise from unusual activity, such as a large payment of several $100s or logging in from a brand new device, which PayPal flags for security. Understanding the exact nature of the problem, like a temporary hold or a verification request, is crucial for finding the right solution. This initial step saves significant time and effort in the long run. One common resolution involves providing requested verification documents. PayPal may ask for a government-issued identification, like a driver's license or a recent utility bill, to confirm your address. For business accounts, you might need to submit your business registration or articles of incorporation. Always ensure that the names and addresses on these documents exactly match your PayPal account details to avoid further delays. Submit high-quality, clear images or scans for quick processing of your request. If the self-service options do not resolve your issue, directly contacting PayPal's customer support is your next best step. You can often reach them through the messaging center within your account or by calling their dedicated support line. Have your account information, any relevant transaction ID, and a concise explanation of your problem ready. This preparation helps the representative understand your situation quickly and efficiently, leading to a faster resolution for your account challenges. To prevent future account issues, maintain accurate and current contact information on file with PayPal at all times. Always use strong, unique passwords for your account and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Regularly reviewing your transaction history and promptly reporting any suspicious activity can also safeguard your account. These simple preventative measures help ensure your PayPal account remains secure and fully functional without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.